I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys some images that I've been working with. I have been on a coloring kick lately. And for the last 2 days, I've just been literally, I kid you not, sitting and just coloring. So I wanted to show you guys a few images that I colored, and then I'm gonna do some stuff with them. I haven't totally decided exactly what I'm gonna do with them. I do think I'm gonna make maybe like a shaker bookmark and maybe a shaker card and stuff like that with them. But yeah, we'll just kind of go with it. But anyways, I thought I would show you guys what I made or what I colored. And I'll start with this one. I thought she was really cute. She was my first one that I made, and the reason I've been on such a kick lately is because I just got my like coloring watercolor markers and stuff like that and wet brush. So yeah, I'm like obsessed with it. It's so much fun. I'll just sit in front of the TV and just color for literally, I kid you not, hours, like all day yesterday. So crazy. So yeah, so that's the first one that I made. Thought she was really cute. And then I made, let's see, what's the next one I did? I did this one next. She's cute too. She's all ready to go trick-or-treating. And the thing that I really love about this one, and I'm so glad I decided to do it, is her hair. Look at her hair. I decided to do, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I decided to go back over the lines of her hair with a white gel pen. And I thought it turned out really, really cute. Hopefully that's picking up. So I did that, and then the next one I did was, she is probably my favorite. I love the colors I decided to go with. So I did her little mummy wraps in different shades of gray. And then her hair and her eyeshadow, I decided to do purple, and I love the way it turned out. So cute. And then the next one I did was actually this pumpkin, and I wanted to do the pumpkins, all 3 pumpkins in a different shade orange, which I did kind of from lighter to darker. And I mean, I like the way it turned out. It's cute. So yeah, I did those. I definitely like the little girls more than I like the pumpkin, but. And then I love this one, this Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead girl. She's so cute. Just really, really love that one. And then the last one that I did is not really Halloween, it's more so fall, but I thought she was really cute. So she's just holding her apples there and like a little jug of cider. And the thing that I like most about her hair is I colored it, like I watercolored it, and then once it was dry, I went back over it with the marker, the same marker that I used to watercolor. But of course, since I didn't watercolor it, I just straight up used it on the paper. You can see the lines really well. So I thought that that was really fun. And I did a different color layering on the leaves. And I really love the way that her little jacket and her scarf turned out. I really tried to do some watercolor. And guys, I am not by any means whatsoever an artist. Like, I only know how to use these from watching YouTube tutorials and stuff, and that's the only way that I know like different methods and stuff, and mine probably does not look good compared to a real artist, but I really like the way that they turned out. Just the way the fading and stuff goes on her jacket and on her little scarf here and on her boots. I worked so hard on them. And I'm really happy with the way they turned out, especially the boots. I worked really hard on the boots, went back several times and like added more layers and stuff. So yeah, I love the way she turned out. I thought she was so, so cute. And again with the gel pen, I love the white gel pen. I don't know why, but like there's just something about the white gel pen that stands out on the watercolor. So I went back on the apples and gave them shine using the white gel pen, and then I always went back with the little skulls and the eyeballs and just went back over those. But yeah, so I just really love these. Like, I will probably color more of these same little characters again because I love them so much. And if you're interested in getting the images, I will leave a link below in the description box of where you can order these stamps. They're so cute. There are a few more that I didn't do. Like, there's one that's like a butterfly or a moth. I haven't done that one yet, but I probably will. It just wasn't my favorite. And I think there's another one like this that is also fall, but again, I just haven't gotten to that. Oh, I think she's a scarecrow, yeah. And I have it stamped out, I just haven't colored it yet. So, but yeah, so I plan to do some things with these, so stick around and be sure to check back on my channel because I'm gonna be doing some projects with these, and I just think they're so cute. I am having a hard time deciding exactly what I want to do with them because it did take me a long time to do them. I want to just do the perfect project with them. So be sure and check those out once they are up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Bye!